6 a.m. in what is going to be one of the best days we are going to have in a long time on this channel. Today we're going to get a couple of really cool cars. One I might show you, one I probably won't, but we're going right now. I gotta get Luke. Luke, it's 6:30, let's go. Not gonna lie, I expected this to happen. Now we're leaving without him. Sorry, gotta go, bye. Now that we're gassed up, we're ready to go. All right, today's activities, Luke, are gonna be a fast one. Game plan, get to the airport. Our plane's gonna leave us in an hour. We better hurry. Well, it wasn't supposed to be raining, guys. We got the top down, or the top up in the Bentley. Luke, hold the camera. Oh, nice and comfy. One thing about California is it always ceases to amaze me how much California can ruin my day, even when you don't expect it. I don't know why people live here.
I've come to town to look at, in person, the very rare.
I am paying more money than anybody will pay in the world for that car. So I want to look at every nut and bolt and make sure it's perfect. If it's not 100% perfect, cream puff, then I'm out. I'm excited to drive this car. This thing. Oh, it sounds so cool. I'm such a big fan of the F12, and I legitimately am I'm giggling to see this twin turbo F12. This thing is so effing epic. Holy shit. We're gonna go check out the Mercy, but along the way, oh my god. It's just... What the fuck? Smell it? I don't think there was ever a car I've ever wanted more than one of those. Talk about that one off camera.
Welcome to King's Auto Body.
Yep, what a cool spot. That's the damage.
Wow.
Oh my god.
We got so lucky.
We fixed it.
That was scary.
Guys drove over like a piece of wood and it flipped up.
That was wood?
Boom. Yeah.
Oh,
and it hit us right there.
you can feel it in your chest.
You can feel everything about that car.
Shouldn't be revving this car right now. I shouldn't have even driven it here. I realized I actually don't have enough fuel to get back. This is hands down the worst car on fuel you will ever meet. V12, massive turbos,
and huge
maxed fuel system. Last time we went for a drive, full tank of fuel, we were out for an hour and a half, and I'm on empty. And what's it cost to fill? $700.
No way.
To go for a drive.
Oh.
No way. Because it's on 100 or 110.
110.
Yeah.
People aren't happy about the idea that I'm even thinking of selling my beautiful gated LP640. But there are good reasons for this. And it's not a done deal yet. We need to talk about this. We need to go look. He needs to have a look. He needs to get his fingers into everything.
I need to make sure, like I said, it's in good condition.
But let's go in.
So, not gonna lie, Dave, not exactly what I was expecting.
What do you mean?
Not exactly what I was expecting.
It's got PPF on it.
Let's check it.
That's good. I like that. I have PPF tip for you. Car cover on sale. Here we go.
It looks good. It looks a lot, looks exactly what I was expecting.
So you think you want to do this?
Yeah, 100%. Let's make a deal.
Okay, we'll make a deal. I know some people were even like, if this car leaves, I'm never watching DD again. Hey man, if you're more loyal to the car than you are to me.
To my channel.
Yeah.
If you guys only care about that car, just move on over to mine.
You can watch it, and when it's done, I want to come drive it.
You can drive it anytime you want.
I had a feeling you would say that.
And
So I get the money and the car anyhow, guys. What's going on with the Koenigsegg?
No, I left it in Scottsdale. So I put that car for sale, and there's just been a plethora of people asking and buying and all this stuff. So I left it at the Koenigsegg dealer in Scottsdale. I feel like right now I want to diversify and have the 10 cars that I can have again. You know, get maybe a twin turbo F12.
That car
Damon
is
and
so
I have the
pissed
same
off.
car taste.
We really do.
And same shoe taste.
and
No, not that.
Yeah, no
Same shit.
kidding.
And this car will be with Houston. You heard Houston on this channel. I can drive it anytime I want.
Dave, you're not driving it for shit.
All right, it's in a Louboutin bag too. Let's see what's in your purse. Holy crap!
Hey, eggs.
Yeah, exactly. So everybody that's already watched the DDE version of this video knows what happens next. So instead of just showing you the same clips that we filmed, I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you guys a little bit about my plans with the Murci. So I think it's best, I know it's best, to put it back to stock. I want that car to look as factory as possible. Obviously, we're gonna keep the exhaust, we'll keep the custom audio. That really large tablet in the middle of the interior is pretty crazy, but we'll keep it. I wanna get the car dialed in as factory as I can with the body panels. I'm not sure I want to actually repair the carbon. I'm still deciding on that part. I don't know if it's best to just purchase new rear quarters and a new fender from Lambo and have them repainted, because if the car is repainted, does that change the value? Obviously, the value of the car is what it is because of the internet accident technically is there. Obviously, it's on the vehicle history report. So does it matter to repaint it? Or does it matter to fix the carbon? I really haven't decided yet. I'm kind of a perfectionist and I really love to get things dialed in the right way. So my personal opinion is just get it all done right. Now I have another Murcielago, and that one there, I want to modify. I want to modify that one, and I want to keep the yellow one super chill. So I'm planning to pick up the other Murcielago. I've owned this car for a while. There was just some paperwork and some stuff I had to do to get the car picked up. It was already at someone else's shop and work was already pending. After we left King's Auto Body, we drove to where the other Murcielago was, and we are about a week away from picking that car up. We had to dial all these things in, and I had to talk to everybody involved, make sure everybody was happy, and we're almost there. We're at the finish line of that. So potentially next week or maybe a week after that, we're gonna be picking up both Murcies in the same week. So we're gonna have the yellow one and the other one that I have, and I don't really want to talk about that one until we go and physically pick it up. We've got parts of it here. You guys saw us unboxing that in the most recent video, and we've also got these super epic SV factory mirrors sitting right here on the floor as we speak right now. That car is going to come together, and I plan on doing something absolutely mental that has kind of been done before, but we're going to just do it with this generation's technology. Back in 2011, when the Murcies were still kind of, well, there was 10 was the last year, but 7, 8, 9, 11 Aventador came out, people started modifying Murcies a little bit. There was some cool stuff done. But if you look at the content from 12 years ago, the cameras and everything, it was never anything on the internet. So I want to do a kind of parallel repairing Murci and building a different Murci build at the same time. I hope you guys are excited about that. I really, really, really love these cars. And I'm switching gears from buying all this crazy new hypercars because all these super rich people on the internet are kind of taking that and just really running with it. I mean, there's just no way I can compete, or anybody can compete with a guy that's got $1 billion in every car allocation possible. So I think it's best to do, I do best, and do something one-off all the time, no one's ever done before, and just get these cars just super crazy builds and take them to SEMA, take them to Monterey Car Week and drive them around and have you guys involved in those builds. So I really want you to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Please give us a thumbs up. I want to grow. I want to get some more subscribers. Over 50% of the people watching my videos do not subscribe. So I really think you guys could help me by contributing and doing your part by hitting the subscribe button. So we'll see you guys next video.